Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can connect your coffee maker Whirlpool W11 to the single phase installation, how to make plug. So this device does not come with ready-made plugs, so you have to do it by yourself or with the help of the electrician. And now we have three wires, the yellow and green. If you have a ground wire in your installation, connect it to the middle socket of the plug. If you don't have the ground wire, you can just isolate it. The next wire is a blue, start from it, is a neutral and going to the right side of your socket. And the last one, the brown, the phase wire, going to the left side. So we can close the cover of the plug. And now let's connect it. On the right side of your coffee maker you have a switcher. As you can see, it's worked perfect and this is how you can do it. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend and goodbye.